We pray that peace be still during this campaign, peace be still during these elections. Remember that there is life after election. May God bless us all as we maintain peace, as we maintain unity, and to carry out our campaigns well. May God bless us all.
And that is our goal as joint club members. Together we stand.
Peace for progress.
Together we stand.
Peace for progress.
And once more, together we stand.
Peace for progress.
Thank you.
Well, it is a beautiful day here at Maasai Mara University, and as we come to the eve of the end of the electioneering period here in this university, we have clubs that have come together calling for one collective effort with this press briefing. Beyond headlines and Duata TV, Sura TV, and all the collective media efforts in this university are going to be bringing this to you live as we get the details of what truly they want to talk about. We are going to start here. Introduce yourself with your name.
My name is Nyadida Philip from Maasai Mara University Debate Club.
And to the lady.
Okay, my name is Angeline Tindi, chair of Amani Charity Club.
So, Mr. Philip, please tell us, what are you saying today?
Thank you so much. Today we are here as joint clubs to spread the gospel of peace in the university. As we all know that we are going towards the season of election and the campaigns are already on, so we are here to call and encourage our members, all the fellow comrades and every stakeholders within the university so that we can be at peace, knowing that we have life after the elections. We don't want to see what happened 11 months ago, that is last year, of the school being closed down indefinitely. So those are some of the things that we want to create awareness as these two clubs are coming together.
Thank you so much, Mr. Philip. Let's hear from the lady in Amani Club.
Well, thank you for this opportunity. Today we are here as joint club, just calling for echo of harmony. We want to leave the legacy of peace during this election period. We just call upon all of you, the students of Maasai Mara, that let's build. Our word should not make us fall apart. Let us strengthen ourselves and do this election peacefully because leadership is strength and it's a call. Thank you.
So we'll give them a chance to say their collective name and their effort in the sloganeering of peace during this election period.
And that is our goal as joint club members. Together we stand.
Peace for progress.
Together we stand.
Peace for progress.
And once more, together we stand.
Peace for progress.
Thank you.
In this period of election, we urge every aspirant, every comrade, every blogger, every delegate that when you are campaigning for votes, also campaign for peace. We don't want the last year catastrophe to rain on us again. We want a peaceful year, a year of study, and as we know that we are here for one objective, which is education. Election, politics will come and pass, and I'm not saying that politics is bad, but I'm saying that let us do in a fair and orderly manner that will even impress the constitution of Maasai Mara University. Here we have gathered saying that peace in Maasai Mara, not war, but peace. Thank you, very important.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm Harmonious package from Maasai Mara University. I'm a student here, and here we are as a joint club. I'm from Amani Club, and here we join ourselves with the debate club to preach and proclaim peace, unity, harmony, and diversity amongst the students during this period of campaign, and also expected day of election. We just urge everyone in Maasai Mara fraternity, the students, the teaching staff, and also non-teaching staff, all the participants, to maintain peace and harmony during this period, because as long as we are living together, we must maintain peace so that we can be in a good living standard. So I urge everyone, just maintain peace during this time. Make sure that you don't engage yourself with things that will make your life to be at risk or any other person's life. Whatever you say, make consideration on the effects and consequences, and also maintain your peace, your harmony, so that everyone will see a conducive environment. Thank you very much, and maintain peace, unity, diversity, and harmony. Be blessed.
Guys, my fellow comrades, it is important to have a peaceful environment for conducive learning activities. That's why we stand as Amani Club and Debate Club, saying that together we stand,
Peace for progress.
together we stand,
Peace for progress.
together we stand.
Peace for progress.
Thank you guys.
Together we stand. This is what this inter-club seminar is trying to push in this election period. My name is Muyanga Vincent Mudhama, and we'll continue bringing all of this and making it available to you, and you'll get this at all times. See you next time.